And
ooh, nice.
and this guy.
Yeah? Got a crab in there?
And he reaches out and then pulls himself forward.
There's this huge giant one.
Whoa. Look at this guy
And
walking
we
here.
have this guy too.
This one walking here.
And he's going to freak me out.
And then we found another guy just like the other guy, only he's a little smaller.
Yeah. Cool. You like finding creatures?
Yeah. See, look at that sea slug moving the water. Why did it have a sea slug? Don't touch it, Gray. Come on, Gray.
Alright, let's see if I can get him. Where is he?
He's right there. Watch him move.
Moving?
I see his face is right there and then his mouth.
Yeah.
And he's trying to eat me right now, which is small.
There's the crabs moving down here. Pretty cool. What was the best part of your trip, Truman?
Orca.
What was the best part of your trip, Greg?
Dolphin.
Swimming with the dolphins? What'd you get to do to Lolita, True? What'd you get to do with her?
Pet.
You got to pet her?
Yeah.
She gave you a kiss?
Yeah.
How's the Atlantic Ocean? Pretty cool?
Well, the creatures are good, but the salt water is cool.
Burn your eyes?
So you don't like the rock part? What? So you don't like the rock part? What rock part? Rock
Where you went discovered on the rocks yesterday when you went down?
Oh, that.
That's pretty cool. There's the ocean.
Can you guys bury me now?
What?
Can you guys bury me?
No, I don't think we're going to bury you. We're going to have to let our creatures go. There's the hotel.
Hey, look.
There's Wade on Happy Father's Day. Alright, we better let those crabs go.
No, wait. I need you to see my mud hands.
Do you got a favorite creature down there, Truman?
Mine's a sea slug. Mine's a cat. Oh, yeah.
That one?
That one. Mine's a sea slug. Just come out. That little black one right there by Truman's foot, that's about the steak is my favorite.
You think so? That one?
Truman, get your foot out of there, buddy.
Look at my mud hands.
Yeah, oh wow.
Slam dunk. Double.
Alright. Guess we better get ready to pack it up. Here, bud, give me a smile.
Hang on.
Yeah.
Can we bury each other first?
Greg, give me your smile.